Ever heard there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth? Sounds impossible, but it's true. Earth has around 7.5 quintillion grains of sand. That's a 75 with 18 zeros. Sounds huge, right? But the observable universe, it holds over 200 billion galaxies. And each galaxy has billions, even trillions of stars. Scientists estimate there are about 1 million stars for every grain of sand on Earth. Wrap your head around that. Space is unimaginably big. So if the universe is that massive, do you think we're really alone?